Hi, this is Dieter for SiteManager.io. In this video, we're gonna explain and show you how databases can work together and how they are connected. There are two different ways in which they can be connected. In this video, we're gonna talk about the first one, which is use them as input, as an input field for one another. So let me explain. As you can see here, we have our blog database, and you can see the author here is by myself, Dieter. But we also built a team database with names. And what we're going to do in this video is use the name of one of our team members to be the author of a blog article. So how are we going to do that? It's very simple. Actually, we're going to add a database list to the blog grid, and we are going to use the picked entry thing that we can do so that you can pick your author from the team database. So to do that, we have to go to the developer, and we go to the blog components, blog article, where you can see that we have, I think it's here. No, this is the title, perhaps below the title. Yeah, you have the author name. So we're gonna replace that with a database list that we're gonna add to the list, and we're gonna add them to position 6, like so. And we're gonna edit it, and we're gonna set the database to theme, and we are gonna activate pick database entries manually. So we're not gonna generate a list, we only wanna pick our author. So we're gonna activate it, and we are going to change the maximum picks to 1. And the category page of which this database is listed to is, of course, the team page that we created. So we click Save, and now we're going to create the variables from our team member, and we only going to need our name variable, which is here. And maybe we can put a link to the detail page of the author as well. So we can add this variable. This is optional, but show you how cool it is to connect the databases. So this is our replacement code for our team. So when we return to our code editor, here you will have, we're gonna add new variables. So we have, this is all something we don't need, like this. Let's see, what was the author was this variable, so which means it's here. And we're gonna replace this code with our new code from our picked entry, which is here, our render list 3. And we are gonna replace this code by this code. And we're gonna remove the variables that we don't need. And we're gonna click Save. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our blog database, and we're gonna, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the author field here. This, I'm going to double check it. Yeah, so this author field, I'm just going to remove it from the form, like so. And I'm going to go to the page component. I'm going to search for the blog grid here, because we're also going to change this variable, since we deleted them, into the tile of the component. So we're going to add the code from our blog, and we are going to replace it with the new render list code that we generated here. So let's correct and remove the variables that we don't need, like so. Okay, so we click Save. Let's go to our CMS, So now you will see that this is empty because it hasn't been filled in, right? So you see that Dieter is removed and it's empty. So we're gonna change, we're gonna pick somebody from our database. So now you can see that the team database, that we can open it, and let's say that we're gonna pick Gordon Freeman here for this blog article. And as you can see now, Gordon Freeman has been added to our blog article. So we're gonna do that for all of the entries that we build. Okay. Maybe I can go a little bit faster by going like here. All right. And let's add Gordon Freeman. All right. So now you can see that this input field is coming from our team database, and we actually added a link. So if somebody clicks this order, they're going to read the biography of Gordon Freeman. So when we are going to publish our blog page, all right, and we're going to visit our website, click blog, you'll see that you can read more. Once again, Gordon Freeman is here, and if you click on Gordon Freeman, he will go to the biography page of Gordon Freeman, which is pretty awesome. So this is how you can, the first way how you can connect databases, by using them as input fields in the form. So the next video we're going to talk about how we can connect databases using the filters. So watch that next video that's coming up, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. As always, go to sitemanager.io to create your account